What we're missing sometimes is a father figure, okay?
What role does family play in your journey and success as a chef?
Okay, so very interesting and very timely that you said that. It was supposed to be just a hobby. Me and my grandma, my inspiration in life is my grandma. She always tells me that anything that I want, anything that I would want in life comes from the sweat of my forehead. Ano ang ibig sabihin nun? No? Okay, ang ibig sabihin nun, lahat ng itatamo ko sa buhay, ano ko lahat? Galing sa pawis. There you go. So the role of my family is very important because that's your support system, right? Because sometimes what we're missing sometimes is a father figure, okay? The nurture of a mom and the leadership of a dad. Kasi imagine this, your mom, ngayon kayo, malalaki kayo, di ba? Your mom can no longer stop you. But when your dad shows up, puts his foot on the ground and says, hey, stop doing that. Titigil kayo, hindi. So sometimes, so that is why my dad is like that. He's very alpha. Okay, he's very manly. That's why I grew up very manly too.